the entire notion and approach to education have witnessed a radical evolution. Learning is no longer be restricted just to the classroom, and students are made to venture outdoors via online to learn how to connect with their environment. This is Sindhu Panikar back again in yet another episode of GHRC News Desk. The education system across the world follow a similar pattern that is based on the principle of acquisition of occupational skills. The skills to critically and creatively approach a problem, building a sense of respect for another, embrace harmony in diversity, and an urge to develop a quest for self-discipline are some of the things that are focused on. So in par with the current requisite of students, GHRCE makes every effort to make them skillful, and some of the updates is what we are going to apprehend today. With the first news, as a part of curriculum, a 6-month internship is a prerequisite for the 7th and 8th semester students of GHRC. Accordingly, 30 students from 7th semester of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering have been selected to undergo a 6-month internship at IIT Bombay under the guidance of Dr. V.M. Gadre, Professor Electrical Engineering, from 15th July 2020 to 15th January 2021. Dr. V.M. Gadre from IIT Bombay has released NPTEL course on Digital Signal Processing. The students of GHRC have explored applications of digital signal processing in this internship, as well as designed course materials, videos and assignments for NPTEL MOOC, particularly directed towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of the Government of India.
Now, coming to the pedagogical aspect that I would like to highlight in the way we bring this course before you. This course has been created, of course, with me as the principal instructor, as I said, but then I have with me several of my undergraduate students, spanning 2 years, 2 consecutive years. And what is more interesting is that I also have an association here with faculty and students of a reputed institute in Maharashtra, namely GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur, which institute very kindly agreed to collaborate with me in the creation of this course. So this is a pedagogical experiment with a 4-point kind of involvement. A faculty member from IIT Bombay, faculty members from GH Raisoni College of Engineering, students from IIT Bombay and students from GH Raisoni College of Engineering. A pedagogical experiment in that we thought it's a good idea to bring the stakeholders into the creation of the course, so that we are sure the stakeholders in the long run spread much farther and more widely in the country would find the course useful, and we definitely wish and hope that you enjoy this course. We all look forward to working with you as you learn the subject. Thank you so much.
The students have gone through the video shared by Dr. V.M. Gadre and worked on the embellishments, time stampings and prepared a summary. Fortnightly review meetings were conducted to monitor the progress, which was attended by Dr. V.M. Gadre, faculty coordinators IIT Bombay and GHRC. Looking into the performance and enthusiasm of the students, Dr. V.M. Gadre has given a consent to appoint another slot of 50 students to undergo the internship from December onwards. Students from Pune Vidyarthi Grihas College of Engineering and Technology are also associated in this internship. The students from GHRC who have completed the assignment will now be mentoring the students of coming batch of PVG and IIT Bombay. Faculty Coordinators Dr. Kalyani A. Akan, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Professor Sonali Joshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics Engineering, along with Mr. Gurpal Singh, Dean, Industry Relations, worked under the guidance of Dr. Sachinam Tavali, Director, DHRC, and Dr. Milind Khanapurkar, Deputy Director and Dean Academics of GHRC. The next news is about the Rural Entrepreneurship Development Program by MBA Department. On November 23, 2020, Department of Management Studies of GHRC hosted a workshop titled Rural Entrepreneurship Development. The workshop focused to unveil the concept of balanced regional development, increase in regional employment, and reduction of poverty and unemployment. The purpose of the workshop was to provide knowledge and skills required for capitalizing the opportunities in rural entrepreneurship. During the program, various government initiatives and schemes were highlighted to equip the students with recent developments so that they can play an imperative role in days to come. There were 30 students of MBA third semester who attained the workshop. Dr. Chetan Chitalkar and Dr. Mahesh Chopte, Assistant Professor at Jalil Institute of Technology, Nagpur, were the resource people. The session aimed to foster technicalities to form an ecosystem for starting up own business or make a living for local young people and women, raising their living conditions. Professor Naushin Maladri proposed vote of thanks, and Professor Sanjeev Kumar, HOD of Department of Management Studies, played a key role in the successful completion of the program. Moving on to the next update on Department Industry Advisory Board meetings conducted by all departments of GHRC. Departmental Industry Advisory Board, which is commonly known as DIAB, meetings were held recently for all the departments. Prominent industry experts were present in the meetings to give their inputs. While I read out some of their names, Mr. Manoj Kawalkar, Head, Quality Assurance and Quality Control, Shapoorji Pulaonji and Company Limited, Pune; Mr. Sandeep Shirketkar, Director, IMA GIS; Ms. Priyanka Sinha, TCS, Kolkata; Mr. Pankaj Khorgade, Persistent Systems Limited; Mr. Sahil Chawla, T Second Generation Technology Private Limited; Mr. Nitin Bagaukar, General Manager, Bajaj Steel; Mr. Sandeep Tompe, Deputy General Manager, Bosch Limited; Mr. Shobhamol Bharadwaj, Deputy Manager, Mahindra & Mahindra; Mr. Vinayak Zadaunkar, General Manager, ABB; Mr. Manoj Kumar Nagaraj, Director, Digital Strategy, Capgemini; Mr. Chakradhar Borkute, Director, E-Innovation Technologies; Dr. B.A. Dhame, Head, CTEA L&T Limited; Mr. Pinaki Laskar, Founder, Fish iBox Innovation Lab; Mr. Abhijit Sarkar, Manager, Data Analytics, Infoseps. Along with them, HODs of all the departments briefed about the agenda of the meeting, highlighting the existing scheme, contents of syllabus as per industrial need, skill programs as per industry requirement, and about 1 semester industry internship for final year, that's 8th semester of UG, and 1 year internship for PG courses, along with its periodical assessment and review. Expert members appreciated the new system of outcome-based education and were pleased with the curriculum, scheme and syllabus. Experts also stressed on the need of skill programs and practical approach towards solving industry problems. Along with the experts, HODs of all the departments briefed about the agenda of the meeting, highlighting the existing scheme, contents of syllabus as per industrial need, skill programs as per industry requirement, and about 1 semester in the industry internship for final year, that's 8th semester of UG, and 1 year program internship for PG courses, along with its periodical assessment and review. Expert members appreciated the new system of outcome-based education and were pleased with the curriculum scheme and syllabus. Experts also stressed on the need of skill programs and practical approach towards solving industry problems. Practical industry problems were also discussed along with the curriculum of the department. The industry experts were delighted with the 6 months industrial project for outgoing students with some field exposure and practical knowledge. The House was satisfied with the existence of this new scheme of field project for final year and strongly recommended to continue the same. All the members of DIAB were present during the meetings held and have appreciated the entire processes being followed at GHRC. With that note, This is Sindhu Panikar signing off from GHRC News Desk. Stay safe and stay updated with us. Bye-bye.